CHREDSUN's factory, established in 2017, is a technology company that integrates R&D, sales, and production, primarily focusing on rechargeable lithium batteries. Since its inception, CHREDSUN has adhered to the principles of innovation, efficiency, safety, and reliability, striving to provide high-quality products and services. The company emphasizes research and development, investing heavily in advanced laboratories and equipment to enhance battery performance and reduce environmental impact. CHREDSUN's products are widely used in consumer electronics, industrial equipment, and renewable energy sectors. With over 10,000 square meters of manufacturing space and advanced production capabilities, CHREDSUN ensures high-quality output while adhering to international standards like ISO 9001. The company holds multiple global certifications, enhancing customer trust in product safety. CHREDSUN's mission is to prioritize safety in all aspects of design and manufacturing, while aiming to be a leading provider of battery and energy storage solutions worldwide.